Hi, this is Amol Jadhav, Assistant Professor working in Department of Mathematics, Vidyapatishtans Kamal Nair Bajaj, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Baramati. My subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. I discuss today unit number 2, Laplace transform, and subtopic multiplication and division by powers of t. This is lecture number 3. If L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of t raised to n f of t, that is Laplace transform of t raised to n f of t equal to minus 1 raised to n into d raised to n by ds raised to n fs. That is, find out n derivatives of f of s if t power n. If t power n, then find n derivatives of f of s. Suppose n equal to 1, then Laplace transform of t into f of t, that is, put n equal to 1 in above formula. So L of t into f of t is minus 1 into d by ds of fs, that is, find one derivative of fs. If n equal to 2, then L into L of t square into f of t, that is Laplace transform of t square into f of t is minus 1 square into d2 by ds square of fs, that is two derivatives of fs. If t into function in t into function type, find out derivatives. If t is multiply to any function, then here find out derivative of Laplace transform. Here derivative of Laplace transform. Which Laplace transform? Laplace transform of multiply function. Which function is multiplied to Laplace transform? Find Laplace transform of that function and then find derivative of that Laplace transform. See first example. Suppose f of t equal to t into sine 3t. Here t into sine 3t. So consider here sine 3t is f of t. Means find first f of s and let f of s is Laplace transform of sine 3t. Laplace transform of sine 3t, that is 3 upon a square plus 9, that is 3 upon a square plus 9, that is result is sine 80, L of sine 80 is a upon a square plus a square. And use above property, L of t into f of t is minus 1 into d by ds of fs, that is derivative of f of s. Here minus 1 as it is, and d by ds 3 upon a square plus 9. Here take 3 outside, then derivative of 1 upon a square plus 9. Derivative is minus 3 as it is, derivative is minus 1 upon a square plus 9 bracket square into 2s. After simplification we get 6s divided by a square plus 9 bracket square. This is the answer of Laplace transform t into sine 3t. Second example. Find Laplace transform of f of t equal to t square into e raised to 3t. T square into e raised to 3t. Here t power is 2. So use here multiplication by power of t rule and let e raised to 3t is f of t and f of s is Laplace transform of e raised to 3t, that is 1 upon s minus 3, because result is Laplace transform of e raised to at is 1 upon s minus a. So here e raised to 3t Laplace transform is 1 upon s minus 3. Then use result t square f of t, Laplace transform of t square into f of t equal to minus 1 square into d2 by ds square fs. Put fs is 1 upon s minus 3, so minus 1 square, d2 by ds square fs is d by ds of 1 upon s minus 3, because minus 1 square is plus 1, and this d2 by ds square is d by ds. Apply first d by ds, that is find first derivative. 1 upon s minus 3. First derivative is minus 1 upon s minus 3 square. 1 upon s minus 3 square. Again simplify this. S minus 3 power 2 in denominator. In numerator this power is minus 2. Again find derivative of this minus s minus 3 square. 1 minute. Here d by ds of minus s minus 3 square. So minus 2 is constant, minus sign as it is, this minus 2 and s minus 3 raised to minus 2 minus 1 into derivative of s minus 3 is 1. So derivative is minus 2 into s minus 3 bracket raised to minus 3. Here minus minus plus 2, that is 2 upon s minus 3 cube. So final answer is 2 upon s minus 3 bracket cube. This is multiplication by powers of t. Now division by powers of t. Division by powers of t. Here t equal to 1. Theorem is if L of f of t equal to f of s, f of t Laplace transform is f of s, then Laplace transform of f of t divided by t raised to n is integration n times, because t power is n, so integration n times of f of s and ds raised to n, that is ds up to n times. So if n equal to 1, then Laplace transform of f of t divided by t equal to integration s to infinity f of s ds, f of s into ds. And if n equal to 1, or here not t, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, power n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 1, then only one time integrate f of s. If n equal to 2, that is Laplace transform of f of t divided by t square, 2 time integrate fs. Example, find L of sin 2t upon t, sin 2t upon t. Here sin 2t upon t, division by t. So find here integration. If multiply by t, then find derivative. If division by t, then find integration. Here sin t, sin 2t, first find Laplace transform of numerator, that is find Laplace transform of sin 2t, and let fs equal to Laplace transform of 2t, that is 2 upon a square plus a square, that is a square plus 4, using result L of sin at is a upon a square plus a square. Again use property L of f of t divided by t is in integration limits s to infinity f of s ds. Put here f of s 1 upon a square plus 2 square, that is 4, and for this integration use result 1 upon x square plus a square dx is 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. So here x square plus a square and here a square plus 2 square, so here x replaced by s and here a replaced by 2. So here use x is s and a is 2, so result is 1 upon a, that is 1 upon 2, 2 outside as it is. Result answer is 1 upon 2 into tan inverse x by a, that is s by 2, limits s to infinity as it is. Here 2 cancel, only tan inverse s by 2 infinity, s limits are given. Put upper limit infinity, s equal to infinity and s equal to s. First put upper limit, so tan inverse infinity upon 2 minus tan inverse s by 2, because s by 2, s equal to s, no change. At infinity, tan inverse infinity upon 2. At s, tan inverse s by 2. But tan inverse infinity upon 2, tan inverse infinity, and tan inverse infinity is pi by 2, and this tan inverse s by 2 write down as it is. So answer is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 2, and one result, tan inverse pi by 2 minus tan inverse is cot inverse. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse theta is cot inverse theta. So this is answer of given Laplace transform of sin 2t upon t. First find out numerator Laplace transform and then integration of that Laplace transform with limits s to infinity. So numerator, first find Laplace transform of numerator and take fs, and find integration of fs with limits s to infinity. This is the type of division by powers of p. Next example. Find L of e raised to 3t minus e raised to 2t. First find Laplace transform of numerator, and that is find Laplace transform of e raised to 3t minus e raised to 2t. Using result, L of e raised to at is 1 upon s minus a. So Laplace transform of e raised to 3t minus e raised to 2t is 1 upon s minus 3 Laplace transform of e raised to 3t, and 1 upon s minus 2 Laplace transform of this e raised to 2t. Use property L of f of t divided by t is integration s to infinity fs ds. So integration of 1 upon s minus 3 minus 1 upon s minus 2, because fs is 1 upon s minus 3, 1 upon s minus 2. And very simple, 1 upon s minus 3 integration is log s minus 3, and 1 upon s minus 2 again integration log s minus 3, because we know that result f dash x divided by f of x dx log of f of x means denominator, in denominator is function and numerator is derivative of denominator, then integration is log of f of x. Similarly, s minus 3 is function and s minus 3 here, s minus 3 is denominator, here integration with respect to s, and this result with respect to s. So s minus 3 derivative is 1, so numerator contain derivative of denominator, so this integration with respect to s is log s minus 3, and this 1 upon s minus 2 integration similarly log s minus 2, limits s to infinity. Simplify this log s minus 3 minus log s minus 2, use result log a minus log b, that is log a upon b. So log s minus 3 upon s minus 2, limits as it is. Again s minus 3 s minus 2, from s minus 3 and s minus 2 take s common, then or divide numerator denominator by s, here in bracket divide by s numerator and denominator, then here s by s is 1 and 3 by s as it is, denominator s by s is 1 and 2 upon s as it is. Now put infinity and s limits, put infinity and s. So upper limit infinity, so log of 1 minus 3 upon infinity divided by 1 minus 2 upon infinity minus s equal to s, then log of 1 minus 3 upon s divided by 1 minus 2 upon s, that is here log 1 minus 3 upon infinity, 3 upon infinity is a 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1, so this log 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, second term minus log s minus 3 upon s, s minus 2 upon s. Again here multiply numerator denominator or cross multiplication in numerator and denominator. So s into 1, s minus 3 divided by s, this is simplification part. Now log 1 is 0 and this here second term minus log s minus 3 upon s and s minus 2 upon s, s cancel, then minus log s minus 3 upon s minus 2, and answer is log s minus 2 upon s plus minus 3, because cancel this minus sign, one result, we know that result log a upon b is minus log b upon a. So minus log s minus 3 divided by s minus 2 is log s minus 2 divided by s minus 3. This is the answer. So this is type division by powers of t. In multiplication, find derivatives. In division, find integrations. Find derivative of fs, find integration of fs.